PINS stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially since I'm looking at Pins or Pinterest Interactive. Incorporated stock, now it's interactive. What the hell? This is... Pre-market is freaking tough, right? My whole bullish idea is aiming to take $45 highs. But it seems like it came down quite hard, which is fine, I guess. Like even if I come here, you can see this whole demand can be kind of marked up as such. And if we open up here, I know people are going to be talking about, but this is like such a discounted price, blah, blah. Yeah, sure, do whatever works for you. But for me, unless I see a confirmation or anything happening, then I'm simply not going to be taking no trades, right? Like nothing. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.